Did you know that right now, as you're watching this, you are glowing? No, I'm not talking about some metaphorical inner light. I mean, you are literally, physically, glowing in the dark. It sounds like something straight out of a comic book, but it's a proven scientific fact. We all emit a faint light, a biological glow that's just too weak for our eyes to see. So, how is this possible? And what does it reveal about our own bodies? Stick around, because we're about to dive into one of the most incredible and hidden secrets of human biology. So, why can't we see this glow? The light we emit is about 1,000 times less intense than what our naked eyes can detect. To actually witness this phenomenon, scientists needed some seriously advanced technology. Back in 2009, a team of Japanese researchers used an ultra-sensitive camera, the kind that can detect single photons of light, to capture the first ever images of human bioluminescence. They had participants sit in a completely dark room for hours, and what the camera revealed was astonishing. Faint, ghostly images of human figures illuminated by their own internal light. This wasn't heat radiation or infrared. It was visible light, a genuine, albeit very weak glow. The images showed that our faces tend to glow the brightest, especially around the cheeks, forehead, and neck. It's a bit eerie, but also incredibly cool to think that we're all walking around like dim biological light bulbs. To understand where this light comes from, we have to zoom in, way in, to the cellular level. This glow is a byproduct of our metabolism. Every second, countless chemical reactions are happening inside our bodies to keep us alive. These reactions produce highly reactive molecules called free radicals. When these free radicals interact with lipids and proteins in our cells, they release tiny bursts of energy in the form of photons, which are particles of light. Think of it like this. Your body is a bustling factory, and this faint glow is like the sparks flying off the machinery as it works. It's a constant, subtle side effect of the very processes that sustain our lives. This phenomenon is technically called ultra-weak photon emission, or simply biophotons. It's not just humans. Nearly all living organisms, from plants to animals, emit these biophotons as a natural part of being alive. What's even more fascinating is that our glow isn't constant. It fluctuates throughout the day, following a predictable rhythm. The Japanese study found that our glow is weakest in the morning, around 10 a.m., and reaches its peak in the late afternoon, around 4 p.m. Why this specific pattern? It seems to be directly linked to our internal body clock, our circadian rhythm. Our metabolic rate isn't steady. It ebbs and flows over a 24-hour cycle. When our metabolism is running at its highest in the afternoon, more chemical reactions are happening, more free radicals are produced, and consequently, we glow a little brighter. As our metabolism slows down in the evening and overnight, the glow subsides. This means your personal light show is intrinsically tied to your body's daily schedule. It's a living, breathing clock written in light. Imagine if we could see it. We might be able to tell the time of day just by looking at each other as glow. Now, when we think of glowing creatures, our minds probably jump to fireflies, jellyfish, or those spooky fish in the deep ocean. This is bioluminescence, a much more powerful and often purposeful form of light production. Animals use it to attract mates, lure prey, or scare off predators. The light we humans emit is different. It's what scientists call chemiluminescence, a byproduct, not a tool. While a firefly's glow is like a bright, intentional flashlight, ours is more like the faint hum of a running engine. But this distinction doesn't make our glow any less significant. Experts believe that studying these ultra-weak photon emissions could open up a whole new window into our health. Because the glow is linked to metabolism, any changes in its intensity or pattern could potentially signal underlying health issues long before other symptoms appear. This idea of a human life force emitting light isn't entirely new. For centuries, cultures and spiritual traditions all over the world have talked about auras, halos, or life energy that surrounds the body. While science can't validate the spiritual interpretations of these concepts, the discovery of human bioluminescence offers a fascinating parallel. It shows that the ancient intuition about a light of life wasn't entirely off the mark. There is a real physical basis for the idea that living things emit light. Looking to the future, the potential applications are mind-boggling. Imagine a doctor using a highly sensitive camera to create a glow map of your body. An area that's glowing unusually bright might indicate inflammation or increased metabolic activity, while a dimmer area could suggest poor circulation or cellular damage. This non-invasive diagnostic tool could revolutionize how we detect and monitor diseases, from skin conditions to even some types of cancer. It's a future where we could literally see our health in a new light. So, yes, you glow in the dark. It's a subtle, invisible light, a beautiful and constant reminder of the incredible biochemical dance happening inside you every single moment. It connects us to the fundamental processes of life and even echoes ancient beliefs about our inner light. And as technology advances, this faint glow might one day become a vital tool for keeping us healthy. The secrets our bodies hold are truly endless, and sometimes they're hiding in plain sight, or in this case, in plain darkness. Thanks so much for exploring this incredible phenomenon with us. If you enjoyed uncovering this hidden side of science, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next video.